Hi, I'm Chris Wayne, Technical Service Manager for MGK, and today we will be talking about calculating final concentrations of Onslaught Fastcap. Now this is a little bit different from Onslaught because it has 3 actives. So you'll have to do a little bit of addition to figure out how to actually get the final concentration. So if you recall, we have a formula that we use for calculating final concentrations. Percent AI, ounces of product that you're going to use, finished gallon, and 128, which there's 128 fluid ounces in a gallon. So typically what you do is you take, if you remember how to calculate Onslaught, we've got a product that has 6.4% SFIN, but it's only one active ingredient. When we talk about products like Fastcap and other products out on the market that have multiple actives, you've got to take one more step. So if you look at Fastcap, it's got 6.4% SFIN, but it also has 1.6% ETOC and 8% PBO. And what you'll need to know is what's the percent active of all those products together. So if you take those numbers and add them together, 6.4 plus 1.6 plus 8 is 16% active. So that's the number we've got to work with, is 16%. So where we once put 6.4%, we're going to put 16% active. Typically, most states will not make you break the actives out. If you do need to break the actives out, you'll do the same thing, except you'll put each individual active in this position. Typically, they're not going to ask you to do that because you can always go back and figure that out later. Usually, it's all of those percent actives together. So, now that we've got a percent active, we want to know how much fluid ounces we're going to use of the product. Let's say 1%, 1 ounce actually here. Finished gallon, if you remember how that's done, 27 plus the 1 ounce, 128 fluid ounces in a gallon. That's equivalent to 1 finished gallon. So we're going to add 127 fluid ounces of water at 1 ounce of the product to get to 128 ounces. That's a finished gallon. That's 128 ounces in 1 gallon. So let's do the math. 16 times 1, 1 times 128. We'll take 16 and divide it by 128 and see what we get. Is your concentration of 0.125%. And that is how you calculate products with multiple actives. And that is how you calculate the final percent concentration of Onslaught Fastcap.